In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable cookies on Google Chrome quickly and easily. This is super useful if websites are not logging you in properly, shopping carts are not saving, or certain pages are not loading the way they should. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to go in Chrome settings and how to turn on third-party cookies in just a few clicks. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser. You'll see the three dots menu. Click those three dots to open the main Chrome menu. From that list, scroll down and select Settings. This will take you to the full Chrome settings page, where you can control your privacy, security, and browsing preferences. Now that you're in Settings, look at the left-hand side and click Privacy and Security. This section is where Chrome keeps all the options related to browsing protection, site data, and cookie permissions. Once you're inside Privacy and Security, find and click Third-Party Cookies. This is the area where Chrome manages cookie permissions for websites, and it's the exact place you need to be if you want to allow cookies to work properly. On this page, you'll see cookie options for how Chrome handles third-party tracking cookies. To enable cookies, select Allow Third-Party Cookies. Once you click that option, Chrome will allow websites to store and read the cookies they need for things like sign-ins, preferences, embedded content, and shopping sessions. In many cases, this can immediately fix issues with websites that were not working correctly before. If you're trying to sign into a site, and it keeps asking you to log in again, or if a page refuses to load your preferences, enabling third-party cookies often solves the problem. Just remember that cookies can improve website functionality, but they may also affect privacy settings, so only use the setting that matches your browsing needs. After you've selected Allow Third-Party Cookies, you can simply close the Settings tab. Your changes should take effect right away. If a website was already open, you may want to refresh the page or reopen it so the new cookie setting is applied properly. That's it. You've now enabled cookies on Google Chrome. I hope this tutorial made the process clear and easy to follow. If it helped you, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tech guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.